Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a marble tray that costs way less than the ones you can buy in the store. For the materials, you'll need a wood cutting board, sticky faux marble vinyl, 2 drawer pulls, and a drill with a drill bit. First, measure where you want the drawer pulls to go. Then drill the holes. After that, clean off the top of the cutting board and measure how much vinyl you'll need. Then attach the vinyl to the cutting board. I wrapped it around the bottom so that you couldn't see any of the wood. Make sure to squeegee out any air bubbles. The next part is a little more difficult if you have rounded edges like I do. Cut a strip of the vinyl and fold it over like a flap on a box. Do the same on the other side. Then cut the excess vinyl diagonally and fold it under the cutting board. Cut off any excess. After you have all that done, attach the handles to the cutting board through the holes you drilled. And that's it! It looks super cool and it won't cost you an arm and a leg to make. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching.